Mars, named after the Roman god of war, one of the 4 terrestrial planets and second smallest planet in our solar system. When Mars is in sight, it appears so far away from us, blending in with the stars and out of our reach, so naturally we want to go there. Putting a human on Mars has been of scientific interest since the 19th century. Today there are only proposals for a manned mission and progress is slow. It was thought that we would accomplish this goal in 10 to 30 years after Apollo 11 landed on the moon, but after many cancelled plans and cost concerns, there is debate whether we should even go. Mars is the next logical step in space exploration after the moon landing. Narrowing down locations to visit, the 4 gas giants can be ruled out, for they are too far away with no surface to land on. Out of the 3 other terrestrial planets, Venus actually comes closest to Earth, but due to a runaway greenhouse effect, the surface temperature is in excess of 460 degrees centigrade, and the atmosphere is 90 times denser than Earth. Let's consider Mercury. Being the closest to the Sun, it experiences extreme temperature changes. It holds no atmosphere and is peppered with asteroid craters similar to Luna. With no interesting features, it is not worth a visit. At last we come to Mars, a mysterious red planet, a source of inspiration for books and films for centuries, and now a challenge to the best engineering efforts humans can muster. Mars orbits the Sun on a different elliptical path to Earth with a period of 687 days. Every 26 months, Mars makes a close approach to Earth. The smallest distance possible would be 54.6 million kilometers. This is extremely rare. 2003 saw the closest approach in over 60,000 years. The rotational period for Mars is similar to Earth, at 24 hours and 39 minutes, called a solar day. Day and night cycles are almost identical. The planets share the same inclination, between 5 and 7 degrees to the Sun's equator, giving rise to similar seasonal weather cycles. Mars boasts some of the tallest mountains and deepest trenches in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano, may still be active, but tectonic movement has stopped and the natural magnetic field has died as the iron core is cooled. Without a protective magnetic field, the strength of radiation on the planet's surface is around 87.5 times that on Earth. The best proposed method of getting to Mars is via a Hohmann transfer orbit. The maneuver consists of 2 bursts of an orbiting rocket, the first to change the orbit to an ellipse with a larger radius, and the second to correct the orbit half a rotation later. The same maneuver is used to dock spacecraft to the ISS. The biggest problem isn't getting there. We already have sent rovers and satellites to Mars. The challenge is transporting fuel for a return journey. Robert Zubrin, an advocate for a manned mission to Mars, proposed we make our rocket fuel on Mars using a Spatier reaction. It is well known that we can produce methane from hydrogen and CO2, which can be harvested from Mars. The question remains if we will visit Mars in our generation.